In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to LinkedIn. Video content is an engaging way to communicate with your network, showcase your expertise, and bring a personal touch to your professional profile. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be all set to upload a video seamlessly on LinkedIn. Let's dive in. First up, we'll begin by heading over to linkedin.com. This is your starting point for any engagement on the platform. If you haven't already, make sure to sign in to your account using your email and password. This will take you to your LinkedIn feed where you can interact with posts and start creating your own content. Now that you're on the feed page, keep an eye out for the Start a Post section, typically located at the top of the page. Here you'll see a few different options, and we're interested in one, posting a video. Go ahead and click on the video icon. This feature lets you upload videos directly to your post, which is a fantastic way to make your content stand out. With the video option selected, you'll be prompted to choose a video file from your device. This is the time to pick a video that best represents what you want to share with your audience. Remember, the maximum file size for a video on LinkedIn is 5 GB. And you can upload videos up to 10 minutes long. Choose wisely and make sure your video aligns with your professional goals. Once you have found the video file you'd like to upload, click the Open button to initiate the upload process. This will bring your chosen video into the LinkedIn editor, where it will be processed and prepared for sharing. It might take a moment for the upload to complete, especially if the file is large, so be patient. After your video is uploaded, click on Next. This will lead you to the description section, an important element of your post. Here you can add context to your video by describing what it is about or why your network should watch it. Think about a catchy headline or a compelling story to excite your audience and encourage them to engage. Finally, after previewing your post to ensure everything looks great, the last step is to click the Post button. This will publish your video on LinkedIn, making it visible to your connections and anyone else who might come across your profile. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded a video to LinkedIn. Remember, videos are a powerful tool in your networking arsenal. They attract attention, spark conversations, and can drive engagement more effectively than text alone. Make sure to respond to any comments and interactions your video generates to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful LinkedIn tips.